Hello.
Hi, welcome to the smoothie bar. How can I help you?
Hi, welcome to the smoothie bar. How can I help you?
You want to buy a smoothie. Do we have healthy options? Yes, we have many healthy smoothies.
Which smoothie is good for health?
Our green smoothie is very healthy. It has spinach, apple, and banana.
It have sugar?
It does not have any sugar.
That is good. I want try green smoothie.
Great. Would you like a small or large?
I want small, please.
One small green smoothie. Anything else?
No, thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your smoothie and stay healthy.
Thank you. I am happy to try.
That's great. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello,
Hi, welcome to the recycling kiosk. How can I help you?
I want to recycle some clothes.
You want to recycle some clothes?
Yes, I have old shirts and pants.
That's great. You can put your clothes in this big bin.
Only clothes in this bin?
Only clothes in this bin. Shoes go in the next bin.
I have one shoe. Can I put here?
Can I put it here? No, please put shoes in the shoe bin.
Thank you. Not recycle clothes before.
You have not recycled clothes before? No problem. It's easy.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help. Hello.
Hi, do you need help with the dog wash?
Yes, please. I not used this machine before.
You have not used this machine before? No problem. Can show you.
What do I do first? First, put your dog in the tub and close the door.
I press shampoo.
Yes. Press shampoo and use the hose to wash your dog.
My dog is little scared.
That's normal. Talk to him and be gentle.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Your dog will be clean and happy.
I am happy too. A nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the art supply swap. How can I help you?
I want trade my art supplies.
You want to trade your art supplies?
Yes, I have some paint and brushes.
That's great. You can put your supplies on this table.
I can take something from table?
Can I take something from the table? Yes, you can choose anything you like.
I like these colored pencils. Can I take?
Can I take them? Yes, you can take the colored pencils.
Thank you. I not do this before.
Thank you. I not do this before.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new art supplies.
I am happy to try new things.
I am happy to try new things.
You too. Hello.
Hi, welcome to board game night. Are you here to play?
Yes, I want join a game.
You want to join a game?
Yes, but I not know many games.
You don't know many games? That's okay, we can teach you.
Thank you. Which game is easy?
This game is easy and fun. Would you like to try?
Yes, I want try.
You want to try? Great, sit here with us.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am little nervous.
Don't worry, everyone is friendly here.
I am happy to play.
That's wonderful. Let's start the game.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have fun tonight.
I will. Thank you. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the laptop sharing station. How can I help you?
I want borrow a laptop.
I want borrow a laptop.
Yes, my computer not work today.
Your computer does not work today? No problem. Do you have a library card?
Yes, I have card.
Great. Please give me your card.
Here you are. How long I can use the laptop?
How long can I use the laptop? You can use it for 2 hours.
I need pay money?
Do I need to pay money? No, it is free for members.
That is good. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy using the laptop.
Thank you. I am happy now.
That's great. Have a nice day.